Programming your 1999-2006 Chevy Silverado key fob syncs the remote with your truck's receiver. First, ensure all doors are closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, simultaneously press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob for 10 to 15 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock, indicating successful synchronization. Repeat this process for any additional fobs you wish to program up to a maximum of 4. Turn the ignition off and test each fob to confirm they are working. Important notes: for 1999 to 2000 models, hold buttons for only 7 seconds. 2001 to 2003 models may require 3 on-off cycles of the ignition. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific details and ensure vehicle voltage is at or above 12 volts. If the programming sequence doesn't work, verify that your aftermarket fob is compatible with GM's Passkey 3 system and operates at the correct frequency of 314 MHz. A common issue is a drained fob battery, leading to pairing failures, especially in older fobs. Ensure your truck's battery voltage is stable. If problems persist, a faulty BCM may be the cause, requiring professional diagnosis. This affects approximately 5% of trucks. For 2003-2006 models, a rare receiver bug might necessitate module replacement. Upgrading to smart key systems via aftermarket kits is also an option, offering smartphone pairing and keyless entry. Remember, incorrect programming can erase all previous fobs, so proceed carefully. If DIY fails, a mechanic can diagnose hardware issues with professional tools such as an OBD2 scanner.